Skuru ya UTEA ya MERU poli nituikite ya mbere ndene ya nthiguru ya Kenya gwitikirwa kwithondekera kosi na kigerio giacio ni RWANG'I Qualifications Authority ni KNQA. Agitumira bobo PS mathomo ja UTEA Esther Muria augite skuru iji NANDI igatwika skuru ya kuonaniria na skuru ingi ikethirwo igichiandikithia nayo kueja na IGERIO rutere ruru Mount Kenya East. Muthuri Muriuki na gutwacio
UTEA MERU National Polytechnic NANDI nitithiritwe NKATHI na KUEWA ruthara kwambia kosi ingi cia UTEA injeru ojo ni nyuma ya RWANG'I Kenya National Qualification Authority kubaitithia thumbi na kumbithia untububu purapo ketha bonganene to university.
The MERU National Polytechnic now becomes a certificate awarding institution. They are going to, of course, train. They are going to assess practically the skills that they will be teaching the students. They are going to assess or examine, if you like, and they are going to award the certificate. This is very important for us as a state department because under the control of Kenya National Qualifications Authority, this speaks volumes because it means that now we are awarding, or we are going to award this through this institution, certificates that we are absolutely sure that the students have gone through practical training, practical assessment before they are awarded. This is very important.
Kulingana na PS Esther Muria, skuru iji NANDI na YAMBERE Kenya KUEWA ruthara kuandikithia magerio jaritwa te skuru cia UTEA kuma rutere Mount Kenya East.
This region, which I am told is Mount Kenya East, is now going to be receiving their certificates from this institution. So the chief principal of this institution is going to mentor the institutions in this region so that they train at the level that has been certified by Kenya National Qualifications Authority. So it will be up to the chief principal to ensure that that level of training is available to the other institutions in the regions so that this becomes the assessment center. The other centers in this region are going to be assessed or examined, if you like, in this institution, which is now a qualifying center, and they are going to receive the certificate of MERU National Polytechnic. So it's not just for this institution as it stands here, but it's going to be for the region.
Na nani kulingana na kithomo kile kathoma skuru iji muritu akethirwa ina kanya kakuona ngwe kuma Kenya na kinya kaome
that are going to emerge from it, visible by anyone anywhere in this world. And that means that that qualification that we've also registered, it is actually going to give us globally competitive qualification and certificates. And that means that if anyone has, for instance, an artisan or a certificate in gypsum installation, they can actually get either a job within or outside the country at a level where they can really negotiate.
Nkiripotera, wore weekend, beta Muthuri Muriuki.